Hey Siri, let's go home.
So to mount your phone, it's pretty straightforward. It comes with the iPhone case, which is also from SB Gadgets. So basically, you kind of pry off the back part of the phone here, the bump, and once you have that open, you can see where the mounting port goes into the other mount. So pretty straightforward. You just have to put your phone into the mount and twist it to lock it, and there you go, it's all set. Looks really good. It's very steady, it doesn't really move much, and yeah, I think it's a very good looking phone mount. It doesn't get in the way much. Well, my phone is quite big. It's a iPhone 7 Plus, so obviously it looks humongous on my bike. But other than that, to take it off, just slide it the other way, and out it goes. One more time. Now you can also have the mount or your phone mount. I'm going to do it the other way. There you go. Now you can also have your phone in a horizontal format. You just need to unscrew this part here and twist these two little bars to the other way, kind of like an equal sign, and then that way you could have your phone set up to the horizontal format. Now I like my phone to be in the vertical format, usually for maps. It's just much easier to look at, so I have it set up this way. And that's how you install the SB Gadgets motor mount. It's definitely not a cheap package. All in all, it's about 400 something ringgit for both the phone holder case as well as the mount probe. But I think it's totally worth the money because you get something that's very modular. You can adjust it 3 ways: the base, the extension, as well as the horizontal vertical extension. I think it looks great. It's very sleek looking. I like how it matches the rest of the parts on the handlebar, the MT09. Definitely, I like the minimalistic look of it, where even if I don't have my phone on it, it looks like it's part of the handlebar, which is a big plus. I mean, look at it. It looks good. It's a good quality item. And I mean, would you prefer this or would you prefer this? This is a cheap quality phone holder from Lazada. It kind of goes into your side mirror here, and you kind of like just move it around, and it's humongous. I mean, even if you don't have, or even if you're not using your phone, it takes up a huge real estate on your handlebars, and that's not the kind of look I want for my nice new bike. So yeah, I mean, definitely a big price to pay for this, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, go get yours. You can find it at Stronghold Cycles at the Gasket Alley. I think it looks really good. Definitely worth the money. They also have different kind of items where you can install it into the riser of your handlebar or the mirror. So as you can see, guys, the phone is very steady. It doesn't move around a lot. There's no rattling. Everything's very secure and tight. Unlike the other one that I had, which was very flimsy and cheap feeling, I don't really feel secure when it's holding my phone on the bike. I feel like it's gonna get blown out soon, and I mean, even though this mono mount is pretty expensive, you feel secure about your phone, which is undoubtedly very important to you. So, and I think you cannot really put a price on security. If you feel safe, feel secure, you're not going to worry that your phone is going to fly off when you're riding, then I think it's well worth the money. That's going to be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully to see you in the next episode. Peace.
Love.